Here's the before of this picture frame that I'm going to transform. I got it for, I think, less than $10. Or was it less than $5 at Ross? And I'm going to make it a bit more colorful because I like the brown, but hold on, sorry. I like the brown, but you know, I want some colors. Guys, this is what's going on so far. It's going good. We're gonna let it dry here for a while and then I'll show you the finished result. This is the Mod Podge that I put on, and yeah. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do y'all think? Now she has some clothes on. Anyway, that's the final look. Thanks for watching, guys.